Have you ever downloaded a video and suddenly realized it won't play on your PC, phone, or editing software, or the file size is way too big? In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful Windows tool called HD Video Converter Factory Pro, which helps you convert, compress, download, and even record videos very easily. HD Video Converter Factory Pro is an all-in-one video tool for Windows users. You can use it to convert video and audio formats, compress large videos without losing quality, download videos from websites, record your screen, and even create ringtones or GIFs. Once you open the software, you can see a very clean and simple interface. Let me show you how to download a video. First, copy the video link. In my case, I'm downloading a YouTube video. Click this new download button. Now, click on Paste and Analyze. It will automatically paste the video link and begin fetching the video data. After the fetch is successful, all video information is displayed. It also displays all available download options. Choose your preferred quality and click OK. You can also add a list of videos to download here. You can view the video download location at the bottom. In the bottom right, you can select an action to perform once the download finishes. Click Download All to begin downloading. After the download finishes, the videos can be played in full quality. Using this tool, you can download videos from any website. Let's try converting the video. You can either drag and drop a video here or browse to choose one. Once the video is imported, the video file details and output settings are displayed. You can add more videos by clicking the Add Files button. From here, you can add subtitles to the video. The file information is displayed here. You can trim videos here as well. It also allows you to rotate the video. You can flip the video here as well. It also allows you to crop videos. You can choose the aspect ratio here. You can fine-tune the cropped video here as well. You can add various effects to the video just like professional video editors do. You can add a custom watermark to your video using this tool. You can add a text type watermark. You can add a watermark using an image as well. You can choose the video format from the right sidebar. You can also select a device model, and it will automatically adjust the video format for that device. You can choose the video quality and turn on hardware acceleration here. Hardware acceleration allows you to select either GPU or CPU for processing. Using the GPU provides higher performance than using the CPU. If your device has a GPU, select it for better performance. Video conversion is complete and the video plays as expected. The screen recorder lets you capture your screen like a standard video recorder. However, you can change certain settings before you begin recording your screen. You can use the GIF maker to create a GIF from images or a video. You can import a video, choose the time range to make, and the GIF maker will produce a clean, high-quality GIF. You can also check out the toolbox menu for some other handy tools. Overall, HD Video Converter Factory Pro is a reliable and easy-to-use video solution for Windows. If you want a single tool to handle video conversion, downloading, compression, and recording, this is definitely worth checking out. You can find the download link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.